Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, my today's topic is it is the concentration of solution. It is for class 9th. It is subject chemistry. Concentration of solution. So how can we make solution, that is solute and solvent makes a solution. So the solutions are of two types: dilute solutions and concentrated solutions. The solution having small amount of solute is said to have low concentration. It is known as dilute solution. यानी जिसमें solute की मकदार काफ़ी कम होगी उस solution को हम कहेंगे dilute solution. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर हम लेंगे सॉल्ट एंड वाटर, सॉल्ट solute है, वाटर सॉल्वेंट है. अगर इस solution में सॉल्ट की क्वांटिटी जो है वो स्मॉल अमाउंट होगी तो उसको हम कहेंगे इट इज़ डाइल्यूट सोल्यूशन. इसके बाद अगर हम कंसनट्रेटेड सोल्यूशन लेंगे, द सोल्यूशन हैविंग अ लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ सोल्यूट इज सेड टू बी ऑफ हाई कंसनट्रेशन. इट इज़ नोन एज कंसनट्रेटेड सोल्यूशन. यानी जहाँ पर सोल्यूट की क्वांटिटी जो है उसकी क्वांटिटी जो है इट इज़ प्रेजेंट इन लार्ज अमाउंट. फॉर एग्जांपल यही हम सॉल्ट एंड वाटर लेंगे, अगर हम उसमें सॉल्ट काफ़ी ज़्यादा डालेंगे तो वो बन जाएगा कंसनट्रेटेड सोल्यूशन. नाउ व्हाट इज़ द कंसनट्रेशन ऑफ solution? The concentration of a solution is the amount of solute present in a given quantity of the solution. यानी जो concentration of solution है कि कितनी quantity solute इसमें present है, ये हम एक्सप्रेस करेंगे. The most common way of expressing the concentration of solution is the percentage method. The percentage method of expressing the solution concentration of solution refers to the percentage of solute present in the solution. The percentage of solute can be by mass or by volume. यानी अगर हम solute लेंगे, solid solute, अगर solution लेंगे हम जिसमें हम dissolve करेंगे solid solute in a solvent. For example हम लेंगे salt and water. वो solute जो है वो salt है, that is solid. अगर हम solid solute dissolve करेंगे in liquid तो यहाँ पर अगर हम concentration of solution निकालेंगे, we calculate this by percentage of solute, that is by mass percentage of solute. हम यहाँ पर mass निकालेंगे. For example, if we take the 10 grams of solution, 10% of solution of common salt, that means 10 grams of common salt are present in 100 grams of the solution. That means 10 grams of salt and 90 grams of water, it makes 100 grams of solution. Now if we take the concentration of solution in this example, concentration of solution it is equal to mass of solute divided by mass of solution into 100. That means mass of solute is 10 gram, mass of solution is 100 gram into 100. So it is concentration of solution is 10% or 10% by mass. So in the case of a liquid solute dissolved in a liquid solvent, अगर solute भी liquid होगा उसको हम dissolve करेंगे liquid solvent में तो वहाँ पर हम लेंगे volume. For example अगर हम alcohol लेंगे, alcohol is liquid and this is if we take that 20% solution of alcohol, it means that 20 milliliters of alcohol are present in 100 milliliters of solution. So यहाँ पर हम लेंगे the concentration of solution is defined as the volume of solute in milliliters present in 100 milliliters of the solution. यहाँ पर निकालेंगे हम concentration of solution is equal to volume of solute divided by volume of solvent into 100.